Syska lights, camera, action.
जो हर रोल में फिट हो और हर घर में हिट, जैसे सिस्का एलईडी लाइट ईयर्स है। It's a pioneering brand and I relate to that.
It's a homegrown brand, especially like the whole vocal for local. It's exciting to be a part of something which is now a household name. Whenever you talk about Syska, people can associate with you very easily. So that's one of the best things I feel about my brand, and I'm very proud of that.
Syska is a high quality, 100% homegrown brand.
I think with this new journey that we've begun with Rajkumar Rao, kind of resonates how we've kind of grown into a brand from nothing to now being market leaders. I think his story kind of resonates very well with us as a brand.
And getting him on board is of course going to increase our chapter of success.
सिस्का एलईडी लगाइए और अपने पावर बिल्स को, लेड और मर्करी को और एनवायरमेंटल डैमेज को भी करिए कट।
You know, they have created a category which was good for the country and convinced the people to switch from CFL to LED lights. It was truly inspiring to see the sustained success.
We're doing LEDs. We've been very successful already with LEDs in the past. Not only that, we're also doing fans. We've recently launched fans and we're going forward with wires and cables as well.
And action। हाँ सबको सरप्राइज करूँ।
Has to be almost simultaneous. Syska?
ये फ़ैन इज़ एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ। मतलब बिना फ़ैन के तो कोई रह नहीं सकता, चाहे वो कहीं पर भी हो, इवन एट योर होम, इवन एट योर शूट सेट। तो जब वो ऑन होता है टेक के बाद, दैट मोमेंट विच इज़ ऑल्सो आर ब्रांड आइडियोलॉजी एंड फिलोसॉफी राइट नाउ, it's very relatable. So everything, I mean, like even the lights, you know, without lights we can't do our job, you know, so that is also very important. Without lights everything looks very dull. These products are very essential to your life. Without these I don't think you can live.
It was a natural extension for the brand to enter into the next consumer touch point, which obviously we wanted it to be fans.
Raj's very easy to work with, and shooting him for Syska has been good, and it's also been very easy. We're shooting him against a white limbo background, later trying to superimpose the lights and everything. LED, yes, it definitely has made a difference in the photography industry also. All our lights have become very small. Even in terms of creativity, we can get a lot more creative with LEDs because it's very versatile that way.
I think it is a very confident stance to take. To me, it says work hard, always give your best, and stay ahead of the competition. As a customer, I think it's a promise that we can always look forward to the best from Syska.
Syska LED, light years है।